Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about series and parallel resistors. Okay, so I'm going to create a circuit here. Okay, so as usual, I'm going to take a breadboard and going to take two resistor for it. Just I'm using a shortcut key for rotating my resistor R. Then I will rotate this my resistor also, and I'm going to connect to the my breadboard. So I have connected here in the breadboard my first resistor. Now I'm going to take another resistor and I'll connect this terminal 1 to the terminal 2 of this resistor, so it can be connected in the form of series. You can see terminal 1 and terminal 2 of this resistor, and terminal 2 is connected to the terminal 1 of the resistor 2. Let's keep the level of this register so we can know that which register is register 1 and register. This is register 1. So I'm clicking this on top of this resistor and I'm going to name it R1, and let's select this second resistor and click on top of that and name it to R2. Okay. Now this resistor is R1 and this resistor is R2. Okay. Now I'm going to take a multimeter so I can measure this resistance. As you know, the resistance formula for series is uh, R total equal to R1 plus R2. Okay, so let's check it out how much we are having. Our first resistor having a resistance value of 1 kilo ohm. Let me click on this resistor. I'll first hide my notification. So okay, now you can see my first resistor is 1 kilo ohm and second resistor is 1 kilo ohm all. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to change it to the like 5 kilo ohm for my first resistor, and I'm keeping 4 kilo ohm for my second resistor. Let's connect this multimeter first terminal to the terminal 1 of resistor 1, and I'm going to connect the another terminal of multimeter to resistor resistor 2 terminal 2. Okay, I have connected all my component properly. Let's start the simulation and we'll check that how it's impacting now. Okay, how much resistance we can get if we connected 5 and 4 in series. So I have, okay, so here you have to change this multimeters mode. Okay, I'm changing the I'm just selecting my multimeter and going into the mode section, and I'm selecting it resistance mode. Okay, now I'm going to start my simulation and we can see I have a 5 and 4 in series, so I'm getting 9 kilo ohm. So here we can see that our total is R1 plus R2 and it's satisfying our simulations also. Thank you so much for this class, and next class I'll be teaching you how we can connect resistor in parallel connections. Okay, thank you. See you. Bye bye. Take care.